Good evening everyone. Today I would like to tell you what it's like to be Kurdish, especially to my non-Kurdish wonderful friends. Kurdistan, and when I say Kurdistan, okay, I don't mean Pakistan or Afghanistan. Just because it's got Stan at the end of it doesn't mean it has to be somewhere there. Stan, it means land, so Kurd land. Kurdistan used to be one country, but they split into 4 parts: Syria, Turkey, Iran, Iraq. That's why we have, well, you guys call it Syrian Kurd, Iraqi Kurds, Turkish Kurds and Iranian Kurds. So, we are 40 million people, and this population is increasing day by day. You know why? Because we like to have children. So each family has 6 children and above. Okay, I'm only joking. It's not that much, but we do like to have children. Apart from that, Kurdish people have exploded everywhere. So even if you go on the moon, you will find a Kurdish person. And you know what you'll find? You'll find a restaurant called Nowroz, where you can have chicken and rice, shila and birinj, darshak, you know. Yeah, so Kurdish people have exploded everywhere. We are not everywhere because we want to, no, because we have been forced to. When you're Kurdish in your own country, there are basic human rights that you're not entitled to. Just because you're Kurdish, nothing else. Just because you're Kurdish, you're not allowed to speak your language, you're not allowed to have your own land, you're not allowed to go and study, you know, you're not allowed to get qualification. Obviously certain parts is easier than other parts, but still we are totally isolated. So when you're Kurdish, you have extra pressure on you. So this is one of the things that Kurdish people have to suffer from when they're in their own country. But, you know, a lot of them have managed to leave the country and became refugees in these European countries. And, you know, we always get asked, why did you leave your country? This is one of the reasons that we have left our country. One of the reasons, like now, I don't know, I keep putting it on my Facebook. To be honest, nowadays I don't know what to put on my Facebook, whether to put about the hunger strike in Turkey or whether to put about the stuff that happened in Serikanya, which means Ras Al Ain in Arabic. It's one of the cities in Syria where it's been bombarded today and a lot of children and women died. And I mean, why is all this, you know, going on? What's happening? 700 people, they have been in this hunger strikes for 62 days. And where is the media? You can't even hear about it. You know what, yeah? Kim Kardashian, she will have something like a Botox put in and all the news talking about it. You know, Posh and Bex, they have a baby and the whole world hears about it. But all these children die and all these people suffer. And it's shocking, like, how none of you know about it. And I think it's time for the world to change. We all have to, you know, just speak out a bit more and actually have more knowledge about what's going on in this world, how people are getting treated. And all this treatment, there's no reason for it. We are not asking for much. We're just asking to have Kurdish names, to speak Kurdish, and just to be like everyone else, to have a normal childhood like you guys have had. You know? A Kurdish child, we are born, one of the first few words we learn is, you know, Kurdistan. We get taught politics from the age of 2 and upwards. Unlike you guys, when you're about 5 years, you know, you have Cinderella stories, you have Snow White, you have all these fantasy dream stories. With us, no. Our dream is to have a free Kurdistan. So this is how we get brought up to work towards. But again, me as a European citizen now, I would like to thank all my English friends. I would like to thank England for giving me the basic rights, you know, the most basic rights that's making me so happy and to respect this country, like for me to speak my language, for me to get educated. They just treated me basically like a human being, and I would like to really thank that. And I think everyone in this world deserves to live like that. Because I think there's enough space for all of us to, you know, we have got enough space in this world for all of us to live in peace. And for me as a Kurdish person, please, please, please help me to spread our word across the world and help all these Kurdish kids that are suffering every day. And they are suffering not because we aren't doing anything, no. We are suffering just because we are Kurdish. So I hope this has been useful to you, and I hope you will stand with us to make this world a better place for us and for your children that you're going to have in a few years' time, to live and, you know, to have a bigger understanding of what Kurdish people is about and what Kurdistan's about. Kurdistan, okay? Not Afghanistan or Pakistan. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. And this is the first time I'm putting an actually a bit serious video. It's not like me, but you know what? At this time, I find it so hard to laugh and to make jokes when I know all my people are getting killed and suffering. So please, help. Peace.